Hi guys, myself Pessim is Common and I'm from Guntur. I'm pursuing my BTech second year in VVT College Guntur. So my VR 101 mini project is about a software development. In this software development, we can see more number of structure like software development life cycle and how it works. So the software development life cycle is simply outlined which tasks require put together for a software application. This helps to reduce waste and increase efficiency to develop process monitoring also ensures project stays on track and continues to be feasible investment for the company. So let us discuss. So we can moving up to the stairs. You can see that the software development mentioned here. Here itself, we can see the most important languages in the present world. So now moving down to the stairs, we can see more number of right here in the atrium. Moving to the inside, we can see that the planning. In the planning, in the planning phase, project leaders evaluate terms of project. This includes calculating labor and material cost, creating a timetable with the great goals, and creating the project teams and leadership structure. Planning can also include feedback from the stakeholders. Stakeholders are anyone who stands to benefit from the application, right? To try to get a feedback from potential customers and and the development, right? We can also get a planning should clearly define the scope and the purpose of the application in every software company. So right, moving up to the zone two, we can see that the analysis, right? Guys? So in this analysis, we can understand more than planning. So in this in this analysis stage, clarifying the specific details requirement for the software development, and it also determines initial prototype ideas like what functions could be the most suitable for the new product, what are the unique selling points your future software should have to compete well on the market. These steps include the more development for the software development. Right after we can see that the most important thing is in zone 3 is like design. So in this the zone 3 the third phase design. See in this the third phase attaches two further steps like high level design and the low level design. This results from the former the future architecture of a software development product. Whereas in the low level design step describes how each and every feature in the product should work. It also in the phase where the database specification is the developed to decide on the data management and storage for the processing, retrieval, or evaluation. Among other things, the development team will over the core component structure processing procedures of of the system to reach the staged goal. So in this, the third phase, the design is phase says that foundation for the next step of the life cycle, which is development. Right in the software development, the most important and a crucial step in the zone three, we can see and design. So in the zone four, we can see that the implementation. So implementation. What are the implementation that the software company or a software development can do, or what are they implement for the generations or further to get into the present market. So in this implementation, we can see that the actual writing of a program, a small project might be written in a single developer, right? While a large project might be broken up and worked by server teams can access, control, or source. Code management application interface. These systems help developer track changes to the code. They also help ensure compatibility between different teams, projects, and to make sure target goals are being met. So guys, we guys seen that zone 4. So the zone 5 is the main part. So in the zone 5 is the main part. It is one of the most crucial step in the in every software development. So in this the software development testing and integration testing. It is critical to test an application before making it available to the users. Much as testing can be automated like security testing, other testings can be done in the specific environment. Consider like creating a simulated production environment for the complex deployments. Testing should ensure that each function works correctly. Right, we can see that every function should work functionally. Right, we can take an best example of Amazon. So right, Amazon, which to grow up into the public, so they will test what are the bugs they have found and what are the ways that the software can't work. What are the best ways they can get more and more developed in the software. So in this testing ensures that each function corrects correctly, different parts application should be tested in work seamlessly together. So the testing phase helps reduce the number of bugs and glitches that users encounter. This leads to the higher user satisfaction and better usage rate. Right? But guess here zone 5 here is over, right? We can move it, and here zone 6 we can see that the maintenance. The maintenance, right? In every software development or in every software development company, we can see at this point the development cycle is the more almost finished. The application is done and being used in the field. The operation and the maintenance phase is still important. So in this phase, users discover bugs that were not found during the testing. These errors need to be resolved, which can spawn new development life cycles. In addition to bug fixes, model like iterative development plan addition features in the future recycle releases. For each new release, a new development lifecycle can be launched. So, guys, we can understand the software development has 6 steps and the 6 planning cycles, like no, 6 cycles. No, sorry to say, 6 cycles. Not it is a life cycle. So, this is my project, and thanking you guys. Thank you.